father will allow me to do this. We won't tell him. He'll notice I'm gone eventually, and when he does, he'll send his men to retrieve me. Whichever way you go, I'll send them in the opposite direction. I'm still not sure I should. It's really dangerous out there. That's your father talking, Reginald said. Look, if you go on this journey, you're not just doing it for Ella. You're also doing it for that little boy who once wanted to try everything. You mean my cousin Lawrence, who broke his leg trying to fly with those wax wings? Reginald looked at him soberly. Frederick, you don't really remember your mother, but I do. And I know what she'd want you to do. Frederick stood up. Okay, I'll go. That's the spirit, said Reginald. Frederick marched out of his room. A second later, he marched back in. I should probably change into something more appropriate for the outdoors, he said. Reginald put his arm around him. You don't own anything more appropriate for the outdoors, he said with a smile. Come, let's get you down to the stables.